What is psychometry? When you were younger, did you ever wonder if things could tell a story? Imagine you had the ability to touch something and immediately discover its history, secrets, and emotional impressions. I am pleased to welcome you to the field of psychometry. Psychometry, also known as object reading, is a paranormal skill that allows people to learn about an object's history simply by touching it. Every single thing, regardless of how little it may seem, is capable of absorbing and retaining the energy of the people and events that it comes into contact with. So how exactly does psychometry function? Objects can absorb emotional energy from their owners and the environment around them. When a person with psychometric skills touches certain artifacts, they are able to tap into the stored energy, which allows them to unlock images, feelings, or information about the object's history. In essence, they are able to read the energy that has been left behind. Many contexts have used psychometry, from the field of criminal investigations, where psychics help solve cold cases, to the field of personal readings, where psychics help people reconnect with lost memories or loved ones. Paranormal investigation is even a prominent topic of study. Would you like to learn more about how you can develop psychometry? Developing the ability to sense subtle energies around you is crucial. Meditation, energy work, and other similar practices can enhance your intuitive senses. Your readings will improve as you interact with more objects. Are you prepared to delve even further into the realm of psychometry's mysteries? Do not forget to give the Ethereal Psychic Development Academy a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to it so that you may see more incredible videos on the paranormal, psychic powers, and energy work.